Is that your kitchen? Are you washing your hands? You better wash them. I heard they were dirty. Psh. Good. Is it getting clean? What is that, a tube of toothpaste? Okay, yeah. I would put the cold on. That's a good idea. Okay. Go ahead. Finish washing. Okay, I think that's a great idea. And I think you should do that too. Here, should we use your teacup again? Look, your cup. Did you wash that one? Yes. Are you eating the tea? I think you just dumped it all out. Oh, that's how you do it? Well, I didn't know that. Yeah, that looks good. That is the best cup I've ever seen. It's a little red cup with white dots. I know, it's very serious. I know. Yeah, Okay, well, there's no need to yell. Do you think Dad's going to be able to sleep here? I don't think so either. Okay, I'll stop talking. Well, okay. I think that's a good idea. Is that some toothpaste? Oh, yeah, in your sink. Did you do all the dishes? Is that why it's clean? There are no dishes. Oh, I should have known.